lovely learners. You are once again welcome to our English lesson. And today we are coming to talk about reading and comprehension. Let's say it. Reading and comprehension. Now when you say reading and comprehension, I hope you understand it. Reading and comprehension means reading and understanding what you have read. Okay, reading something, a text, a message, a note, anything, a storybook, and then understanding what you have read. So today we have a reading to read or a passage to read, and then we will understand it or look for the meaning and answer questions on them. Okay. So the title of the story or the passage is The Greedy Tortoise. Let's say it. The Greedy Tortoise. Now, keywords. Keywords are the words that we meet in the passage. So we have to take good note of them. Organized. Let's say it. Organized. Respected. Rotten. Interested. Silk cotton tree. Servants. Cracks. Healed. Replied. Shell. Okay, so we are going to our story. As I read the story, you also go through the story on the website or on the page as I read. Okay. A long time ago, Eagle was the king of all birds. All the birds respected him. Every year, Eagle organized a party for all the birds. The party took place on the big silk cotton tree. Tortoise was eating some rotten mushrooms when he heard the birds talking happy. He got near one of them. He told Tortoise about a party Eagle had prepared for them. Tortoise became interested. He wanted to be part of the party. The birds asked, "How can you fly to the top of the silk cotton tree?" Tortoise asked the birds to pluck some of their feathers for him. They agreed. Tortoise used glue to put the feathers on his legs. Tortoise could now fly. Greedy Tortoise told all the birds to take new names. The birds did. Tortoise said his name was All of You. Tortoise and the birds flew to the top of the silk cotton tree to have the party. Eagle was happy because all the birds were there at the party. He asked the servant to serve them. The food was brought. Just when they were about to eat, Tortoise raised his hand and said, "I have a question to ask. My question is, whose food is this?" The servant replied, "The food is for all of you." Tortoise told the birds, "You all heard what the servant said. He said the food is for all of you." Greedy Tortoise ate all the food. The birds were annoyed. They took their feathers from him. The birds flew away. Tortoise jumped from the tree. He landed on his back. His shell was broken at many places. When his injuries were healed by rats, a lot of cracks remained on his shell. That is the reason why Tortoise has cracks on his shell. This is the end of our reading. I hope you read over it, answer your questions nicely, and send it to me. Thank you. Bye-bye.